Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Argo CD login problems, RBAC and token errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with Argo CD, you're not alone. Let's start by checking your RBAC settings. Open your Argo CD configuration file. Look for the RBAC policy settings. Ensure that your user has the necessary permissions. For example, confirm that you have applications.get and applications.list permissions. Next, verify that your Argo CD server is running. You can do this by running the command kubectl get pods and RBAC. Check the status of the Argo CD API server pod. If it's not running, restart the pod. Use kubectl rollout restart deployment RBAC server and RBAC to initiate the restart. Now, let's examine your token. If you're using a token for login, ensure it hasn't expired. Tokens typically have a set validity period. If it has expired, you will need to generate a new token. You can do this by accessing your Argo CD CLI. Execute the command RBAC login RBAC_server to log in. If you receive a token error message, double-check your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct username and password. If you're using an external identity provider, verify your integration settings. In some cases, network issues might prevent access. Confirm that your network settings allow traffic to the Argo CD server. Finally, if all else fails, consult the Argo CD documentation. The documentation has detailed information on troubleshooting authentication issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your Argo CD login problems. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.